Hi guys, so today I will be doing an unboxing, and yes, this time I will be talking because I am very excited. I got mail today and this is a Fansign slot that I joined, and this is actually my first Fansign slot. It is for SF9 and I joined for Taeyang. If you guys don't know what a Fansign slot is, basically I paid somebody and they then had a supplier who bought the albums to get into the Fansign, and if they got in, they got a page signed for you with a specific member you requested, and you can ask some groups, not all, but you can ask questions, and they doodled on the photo card. So yeah, I had to buy 4 albums for this comeback, so let's get started. And if you're wondering why I'm filming from the side, my hands, is because my tripod is broken, so I'm trying not to touch it, because if I ever so slightly knock it, my camera will probably fall. So, let's see. So I can see on top, this is probably, oh, okay. I get to see which members I have. They've been all put in the slip covers. Okay, so for the first one, oh, it's a little dusty. Got Taeyang. I'm not sure where the signed page is in here. And then Youngbin. And I got Chenny and Suho. Okay. Let me find, I guess it would be in this one. Let's see. Okay, so you get the big photo card. And that. Yep, it's right here. Oh my god. Oh, so beautiful. And then that was the question. I asked him if he could go on a vacation with any of the other members. Who would he go with? And I told him he could pick 2. He picked ℝ𝕖𝕒𝕕 and Jaeyoon. So, oh, so beautiful. This was so worth it. Oh my god. Okay. Let me set that aside. So this is the album. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen. Okay, so I got everything Taeyang in this album. So that's great. Because I've never pulled his photo cards or anything in an album. But, got that. Okay, so that's it for the first album. Let's see if it'll go on smoothly. No. Okay, never mind. Okay, so for this album, I got Youngbin. Okay, and for the photo card and ticket, oh, I got Taeyang again. And ℝ𝕖𝕒𝕒. Wow. Yay. Okay. So I got them in that album. Set that to the side. And then Chani. I wonder if I got all Taeyang. Okay. So I got Youngbin and Daewon. Okay, so I got those 2. Okay. So far, so good. And then for my last album, I got Suho. And for the photo cards, oh, I got Chani and ℝ𝕖𝕒𝕒 again. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to quickly go through this photo book. So here's the CD. Alright, so these were all my pulls. I only got double Taeyang because I did join the Fansign slot for him, so I automatically got his photo card. And then I got double Insung, so I'll probably trade those. I'm not sure, but I'm so happy to receive this. Like, it is so beautiful. So like I said, I will link down below who I bought this from or who I joined it through, because I definitely recommend them. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little mini unboxing, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!